Hello boss. Look at this fantastic 20 feet expandable tiny home. It is built with a durable light steel roof. Great for sun shading and rain-proof performance. The interior ceiling height reaches 2.4 meters, giving you a spacious, non-cramped living experience. Solid light steel frame guarantees long-time outdoor service life. Multiple side windows and large sliding glass door ensure great ventilation. Perfect for backyard guest house, holiday accommodation, rental projects, or remote site housing. Fast assembly. No complicated construction work needed. Practical, bright and comfortable expandable tiny home. Message us on WhatsApp now. Get full specs, floor plans, and our best quotation.